Many people, especially students, consider IELTS as a barrier, a hurdle that cannot be easily overcome. Do you count yourself in that particular group? Maybe or may not be, never mind. But somehow you need to crack this IELTS and proclaim to the entire world, see, I have done this, I have completed it. It's a great achievement, you can cheer up. We all wish to proclaim in that way. But the question remains, how to do that? How to crack this IELTS? And which is the most difficult IELTS session in your opinion? I consider IELTS reading is little challenging than the rest. You know why? I have a special reason for that, because in IELTS reading sessions or IELTS reading exam, you will be mainly battling with the time, not with the questions. Questions will be easy or difficult, we don't care about that. But your main opponent will be time. You will have a limited time period and you have plenty of things, plenty of passages to complete, to read. By seeing that, you will lose your confidence. Today, we are going to deal with some tricks and strategies which will help us to attend IELTS reading session with confidence. For that, we shall look into which all the strategies that can help us, that can crown us. The first point is skim the passage. We already mentioned, we already discussed, we have a shortage of time and plenty of things to read. So you need to read quickly to get a general content and layout. To understand the passage, you need to read quickly. The second point is that read the questions. The third point is identify the type of questions. There are different types of questions you are going to attend in the examination. So you need to identify the type of question, in which category it belongs. Then the fourth point is find a keyword or information in the questions to help you locate the answer in the passage. It's a long passage and you need to locate the answer in that passage. It will not be easy for you to easily locate it. So you need to really make use of that instinct to find a keyword. When you read itself, you can locate some of the keywords so that it will be easy for you to answer. The fifth point is scan the passage by passing your eyes over the paragraph to find the keyword or information from the question. The sixth point is when you find the location, read the sentence before and after. Before and after. Please be careful. You need to read before and after. The seventh point is always read around the answer to check other information. Always read around the answer to check other information. Sometimes the questions can be tricky, so you need to be really aware of the other information too. The eighth point is try to understand the few sentences around the location of the answer, or the few sentences which are adjacent to that answer must be read before you write the answer. The ninth point is when you find the answer, move to the next question. Don't waste time there. When you find the answer, you can directly move to the next question. The 10th point is don't spend too long trying to find an answer. That means you should not spend too much time answering a single question. The 11th point is that remember that each answer is only worth 1 mark. It is also advisable that you allocate the time more for second and third sections, because as the questions moves to the second and third sections, it becomes little more tougher. So make use of your diligence or your rational ability to answer the questions and crack this session.